We have Porsche sharing the track with the two Schumacher drivers, Mikhail and Polina. Here we have the Schumachers. Going onto the straight is Orlovsky. Porsche still chugging along. I have the Mi9 Orlovsky. It's his first day here. I think he's just doing some feeling out. Porsche will be caught up soon by Mikhail. There's Porsche, but probably in like 2 laps he'll get up to her. Porsche's, you know, let's see. So here's Porsche and Orlovsky. Porsche about to be passed by the world champ. Here's the world champ. And Porsche and Auto traction roll. Auto is one of the fastest, but they're pushing the limit. They're traction rolling. I'm using very old tires just to avoid the traction roll, so that Porsche can just, you know, push the driving without being afraid. Our car just probably better with old tires and our driving skill. The new tires are really hard to get speed and drive. Alright. We also have Hayato of Axon. Nicholas Lee, X-Ray. TITC is stacked. And Porsche just gives way to all these fast guys. As long as she can chug along at a good pace, you know, privateers cannot fight these guys. At least she has the joy of sharing the track and seeing the speed of the real professionals. We are also using gold traction compound, which somehow keeps the tires performing faster as it gets older. Yeah. Alright. She's still chugging along. No traction rolling, hopefully. And yeah. We're still trying to find the setup, but also she's trying to find corner speed. Our car is kind of slow cornering. It's kind of sticking, understeer, gripping. Unlike theirs, there's like go around. All right.